read the Puranas, whether Ravana taking the Atmalinga from Kailasa and going to Sri Lanka, or Vibhishana taking Ranganatha and going to Sri Lanka, when it is Sandhya, they have to do Sandhya Vandana. The Trikala Sandhya. Do you know, even in the war, during the war, the warriors before going to war, they do their Sandhya and go to war. Read Mahabharata. Vanaras do Trikala Sandhya. Rakshasa, Yaksha, Gandharva, Vanara, Nara, Kinnara, Kimburuda, Rishi, all the 14 lokas. The Trikala Sandhya is mandatory. What is so important about Trikala Sandhya? Lakshmi Narayana Samhita says, Santya japa vinihastu karma balabhag bhavet yavajjivam trisandhyakrit bhavet surya samujvalaha. The one who performs trisandhya throughout life becomes radiant like a sun. The one who is devoid of sandhya japa remains bound to the karma.